Hello again, and welcome to the shop. You're watching a dull beaver, and we're working towards a project of re-scraping the ways on the old Atlas lathe. To do that, we've got to figure out a way to sharpen our scraper, because we don't have an endless amount of money. We don't even have a whole lot of money. But what we do have is an old file. Old file scrapers, they get dull pretty freaking fast. So to counter that, we're going to come up with a cheap way to sharpen it quickly. That's right, boys and girls. We're at the table saw, which I paid less than $100 for. With one pass on each side, we're now pretty damn sharp. What you saw me demonstrate was a homemade abrasive disc, and I'll show you how to make them. The great thing about these discs are you can put any sort of grit you want on them really easily. The ones that I've made so far have a 220, a 50 grit, a 360 grit, 320 grit, and then a 600 grit. What you'll need to make these abrasive discs are your choice of abrasive paper, some scrap MDF, a compass is helpful, some shears are helpful, and super glue. Well, I thought about making another one just to show you how it's done, but it's really pretty fucking simple. So there you go. It's pretty much how you do it. Razor sharp results, applicable to more than just sharpening scrapers. See you next time.